guys thought that from what they said.
I don't know. I didn't really.
She was like, she goes. Gotta focus on her.
We'll just call this episode Tata Tuesdays.
Chop chop. Yes.
How do you like it?
I love it. It's like the new thing.
So have you had to adjust all your extensions, your volume extension
I
and
have,
your luxury length
but I've
extension?
only done this one so far because I haven't had enough space to do that yet. But yes, I have basically had to redo everything, because they're all way too long.
So this is your volume extension right here?
This is my 12 to 18 inch full volume extension, custom balayage and tone right here. So right now I'm just giving it a good curl. This one's almost 2 years old. Probably is 2 years old by now. I've been saying it's almost 2 years old for like 6 months, so it's probably 2 years old now. But I haven't worn it every day for 2 years because I have like 2 other volume extensions that I wear a good bit. So still,
It's great shape for 2 years.
it's in great shape for 2 years, and I do everything to mine that I tell y'all not to do to yours.
So what heat setting are you using?
It's only on a 2 out of 5. As you
Nice.
can see how great it's still curling and everything.
Beautiful hot tool.
It is. This is the T3, and we do sell these. If you need one, contact us. I'm so excited about this. So if I was gonna wear just my real hair, I would go to the top and do a couple more pieces, but because I'm wearing my volume extension, I don't really have to do that.
I like those girls
I even do the same. Wait, I'm changing clothes.
I know, but it falls in the most natural place. It's perfect.
You know. I probably am mean like in the whole
The hair just falls.
perfect. I know.
You literally can't tell.
Oh my god, that's so funny. Brooke is like, it's not normally always needed so I can focus anymore. Okay. You know? Yeah, that's literally perfect. I believe you'll be taking this.
I like that belt. Looks like a belly button.
Always, trust me, there's always. We don't even have to plan any boyfriends. But the boyfriend video will be great. Yeah. Alright, we're frolicking like a goat. Do it hard for Will Wall. I'm gonna get roasted. Okay. That was so much better than mine. That was so much better than mine. Sorry guys. Probably like.
I'm so excited about this.
Oh my god. Oh wait. You just have to get your focus first. There you go. Alright, go.
So it can be in the
You said I'm like, no, add small zeros. Okay, ready? Do you want to focus on it? Okay, I'm gonna refresh it. I think we're about to hit 162. We're at 161,000. All right, ready to refresh? Not yet. Let's see how many more we have to get. There was only 10 more a second ago.
Scoot up a little bit closer.
Okay, we only need 8 more. Come on, people, faster! Follow us faster. Look how many people. We're trending. Okay, we'll do this in a second and finish it. I'll do a video and then we'll come back to this. It's okay, because it's good for me. It's okay, right? Oh, it doesn't matter. Here we go. Let's see if we made it. Ah! 162! 162! 162! You can make us go up higher if you go like right now. Go like our page. Yay! Oh my gosh, yay. How many are we over now? Oh, we got 162,024 followers. Woo! Yay! Okay, I'm extremely happy now. I think we have spoiled Brooke this morning. Look at her! Happy birthday! Mimosas for everyone. Yes.